Did you know a pope once put a dead man on trial? In 897 AD, Pope Stephen VI had the body of his predecessor, Pope Formosus, dug up from his grave. The corpse was dressed in full papal robes and propped up on a throne in front of a court of clergy. A deacon was assigned to speak on the dead man's behalf. Stephen VI screamed accusations at the rotting body himself. Formosus was found guilty. His papal fingers were cut off. His body was thrown into the Tiber River. But this wasn't just madness. It was the result of years of Roman noble families using the papacy as a chess piece. Popes were installed and removed so fast that no one could build any real power or stability. The church had become a tool for whoever was winning that week. Stephen VI never got to enjoy his victory. Within months, he was captured, stripped of his robes, and strangled in prison. The system he used to destroy others destroyed him too. Like and follow for more.